What happens if we combine the metal compounds to give fireworks their colors? Here's some copper and lithium. How about sodium and strontium? Because we're not making new compounds, each metal ion emits its own characteristic color. Red for strontium, yellow for sodium, a bit of a bluish green for copper, and lithium, sort of a faint pink. While we can't force the metal ions to create different colors, we can combine all the compounds together, like in a multicolored firework, in this flame. Each metal ion giving off its own characteristic color. Reds, greens, blues.